My name's Carys and I work at Coke Ovens in Tata Steel. Currently, I work as an area engineering manager and I look after around 9 engineers, planners and technicians. On a day-to-day basis, I plan the daily maintenance of the plant. We look after breakdowns and things. I plan battery stops and stuff, so we do planned stops for maintenance across the plant and manage lots of people. When I was at school, for my GCSEs, I loved doing designing, technology stuff and sciences. So I did double science, I did design and technology, which were the things I enjoyed. And then at A level, I did maths and I did design and technology alongside Welsh. And then from there, that took me into my degree. So I did mechanical engineering as a degree, which I also really enjoyed. And then I did a master's in mechanical engineering too. I chose engineering because I found that it put all of the things I like to do in one place. So I love problem solving, I love communicating, I love designing and finding out what to do and bossing people about a little bit. So I thought that was a really good kind of career to encompass all of the things I enjoy doing. The skills I use every day are organising, planning, communication skills, problem solving skills, and probably engineering and basic kind of design skills. I really enjoy my role because it's a new challenge every day. Every day is different, and also you get lots of chance to implement changes and improve things. If you're considering doing engineering as a career, I would definitely go for it. There's lots of challenges every day. It's really entertaining. You get to stand out in the rain. Every day is completely different, and more than anything is you get a good laugh and there's lots of new things that you learn every day.